In this video, we're going to go over how to round decimals to the nearest tenth. So say I were to give you the two decimals 2.34 and 5.78, and I told you to round these two to the nearest tenth. How would you do that? Well, I want you to remember the rule: 5 or more, raise the score, and 4 or less, let it rest. So when we look at the first decimal of 2.34, 3 is in the tenth spot and 4 is in the hundredth spot. So let's apply our rule to the 4. 5 or more, raise the score, and 4 or less, let it rest. So we're going to let this rest, meaning we are not going to raise the 3 to a 4. And so our final answer here is going to be 2.3 when this is rounded to the nearest tenth. Now let's try the other decimal of 5.78. So here, the 7 is in the tenth spot and the 8 is in the hundredth spot. And so let's apply our rule to the 8. 5 or more, raise the score, 4 or less, let it rest. So 8 is clearly greater than 5, and so what we're going to do is we're going to raise the score. And so that means our final answer here, rounded to the nearest tenth, is going to be 5.8, because we're going to increase the 7. Now let's try one more problem, and this time pause the video and try it on your own. But now say I were to give you 6.15. So now pause the video, but when you come back, you'll see that the process remains the exact same. We're going to look at the two decimals. We're going to have 1, which is in the 10th place, and then we're going to have 5, which is in the 100th. Now we're going to apply our rule to the 5. So 5 or more, raise the score. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to increase the 1 to 2. And so our final answer here is going to be 6.2. So key tip, you want to always look one place to the right before rounding. So here, for example, we want to round it to the nearest tenth, which is going to be the 1. We're going to look one place to the right. And so since it's a 5, that's what we're going to be applying the rule to. And don't round the wrong digit, because that's the most common mistake. So when we're rounding to the 10th, you look one place to the right. And if, say, we were rounding to the nearest 100th, we would look one place to the right of the 100th. And so it's completely dependent on what the question is asking for. I hope this video helped. Thank you.